Hannah and Aiden here. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to
Vlogmas Day 19.
We're doing it. Woo! We're doing it. We're doing the happy dance because we're doing it. We're loving it. Okay. You gotta knock me out of the frame. So today we have a fun video for you guys. We are unboxing
the Park Pals.
Park Pals.
Ooh.
So we actually picked these up in September.
What?
Yeah.
Such a long time.
I know.
We waited.
I don't know, life happened, stuff happened, and we just never got to open them. So we're just going through everything now and finding everything, and including in our Vlogmas.
Yeah.
Without further ado, let's get into these boxes.
Yeah.
So these are exclusively sold, I believe, in the Disney parks and resorts and whatever.
Yeah.
Where did we get? I think we got these in Epcot.
Epcot, yeah.
So there's 8 to collect, and there's 2 pins per box, and these are $15.99. And here are the options. You're getting 2 pins.
Oh yeah, true.
Okay, so if I can get any Mickey and Minnie, Simba, Pooh, and I would get that little rabbit. I don't know his name. We're calling him the Splash Mountain Rabbit.
Yeah, because that's what we know. He's from Splash Mountain. Because if you watch the rides and stuff,
Yeah.
you see him in there. So you probably get Minnie, Mickey, Simba, and this guy?
I think his name is Pascal.
Pascal from
Tangled.
Tangled. Oh yeah. Oh, I thought it was from like some other movie. I don't know what. So.
No, he's from, I'm pretty sure it's from Tangled.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because of the tower.
Yeah. Okay, without further ado.
Let's open them up.
Yes, you go first.
All right.
I got your scissors if you need them. But you can.
Might be hard.
Okay, show them what you got. 2 blind baggies.
Oh,
Can
wow.
you feel them?
This one feels big.
I think they're all about the same. Well, the big ones are Simba.
I want
And
Simba really
Pooh.
badly.
All right, go ahead. Don't sing that copyright song.
You're just thinking.
I know, and that's why I stopped. I was like, ooh, Jeopardy's gonna copyright us.
This is impossible to open.
All right, come on. I'm dying. I'm dying over here. I want to know.
Oh.
He got a little rabbit. He's so cute.
You can keep them.
Oh, thank you.
As long as you have something I want from yours. I got one that I really like, and it's Simba from Animal Kingdom.
From the Lion King.
Yeah, Lion King. Well, no, it has the Tree of Life, so I'm like, Animal Kingdom. Go Animal Kingdom.
Let me show them the back. All right, so this is the front again. Tiny pins. And here is the back. Cute. Okay. All right, so you got one that you really liked.
You can keep that as long as you give me something.
Oh, okay, so we're already trading. All right. So here I go, my turn. So this is box number 2.
Yeah. Oh.
2 blind baggies. Okay, let me see. Wait. I'm trying to, I'm gonna try to feel this up. I'm gonna try to see if I can feel it.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
They're so tiny and they're like the exact same size.
Okay. Baggie number 1.
How is it so easy for you to cut?
We got a Simba.
Yeah, at least now you can have one.
Oh, thanks.
Maybe I'll trade that.
Okay. Baggie number 2. Watch, it's gonna be another Simba. Imagine. Oh no! Yay! To Minnie Mouse. They're so tiny.
They're part
back. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
Not too bad. have to say I'm a little bit surprised that they're kind of small.
I was expecting them maybe a little bigger. You know?
Yeah. Okay.
Is it gonna be easy for me to cut or impossible again?
I think you got it.
Dun 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 dun.
What is
Dun
happening?
dun dun dun. We guessed it. We got another symbol.
Another Simba. Okay. This is going downhill real quick. Okay, last box. Okay, let me get
3
the scissors.
symbols and 2 rabbits and 1 mini.
Let me get the scissors, please. All right, last box. 2 baggies.
You better not get symbols and rabbits.
Probably Simba in here. This is a Simba. Watch.
Yeah, watch it actually. What?
I don't know. It's backwards. No, it's the rabbit.
That's the top.
Oh my gosh. We got another duplicate.
No.
Jeez Louise.
Alright, get another duplicate. Simba.
Alright, where's my last baggie? Okay. Okay, this is gonna be Simba, this is gonna be Simba. This one is Simba.
That's Simba right there.
I'm scared to look. No. But it's another duplicate that we had.
Oh. Okay, great. We got 3 Simbas, 3 rabbits, and 2 minis. Ridiculous.
I mean, they're cute. They're not like my favorite pins.
They're like, oh, you want this? We'll give you like 500 of them.
Let me see.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Yep. So we have, can't even show you like this. Hard to see. 3 rabbits, 3 Simbas, 2 Mickey Mouses.
Mini.
Minnie Mouse. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, well,
That was very unexpected.
but that's good for you guys because since we got duplicates, we're going to be including them in our big, grand end of year giveaway that's happening very soon.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to enter, you're gonna have to win, and then you're gonna have to see what you got.
Yeah.
But that giveaway is going up in just a few short days, so be sure to be on the lookout for it. You don't want to miss it. It's amazing, and we're gonna have a lot of these cute little things
Yeah.
in that giveaway.
Yeah.
What a great way to plug our future giveaway. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video.
Well, especially now, so you guys can enter that giveaway and win.
Yes.
Our
No, especially so you will know when the giveaway goes up.
Oh yeah.
Yes, yes. And please, 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 we're almost at 700.
Please.
Give us a few more likes, give us a few more subscribers.
Just a few more subscribers.
It really helps us in our YouTube community.
And also it would mean a lot to us that we'd hit 700 right before the end of the year.
They're extra ridiculous because we're supposed to get a severe snowstorm for the next 2 days. So yes, make sure you have your eggs and butter and bread. And Aiden's like disappearing.
I want to go outside.
Oh, of course we're gonna go. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Bye.